Hey, what's up guys? John here again. So today's video, it's gonna be super quick, I promise. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I had a lot of people ask me for video footage of how the LED license plate bulbs, the bulbs that go around license plate bulbs, if they affected the rear view camera, if there was too much glare, how that looked, all that stuff. So the best way for me to answer that question, I think, is just for me to show you, because those bulbs are extremely bright, and this one's blasting me in the face right now, the one that we did the upgrade to. I'm not trying to do anything crazy with camera tricks, and that's just how bright that is. That's only one of them. If I turn on two of them, it's literally like daylight in here, and it's of course pitch black outside. So if you guys haven't seen this video, you guys definitely need to check this out. Whether your LEDs, the stock ones, are flickering or not, I think this is one hell of an upgrade. So let me just show you guys what the LED lights in the back look like at nighttime. And of course you can see it's pretty well night. These are just how bright they are. So you can see they're super bright, but people were worried if this projected, onto the camera and you couldn't maybe see it if there's too much glare. So let's go ahead, jump back in, throw it in reverse, and you guys can decide for yourselves. My opinion is that it's not affected in that way, so I'll let these crazy things dim out for a second. If I go ahead and throw this in reverse, this is how it looks. So hopefully you guys can see that picture. You can see just blue more than anything. Even though they're kind of a white light, it's showing up in the reverse video as a blue tinge, but doesn't affect your camera whatsoever. So it doesn't matter if I switch it on or off. Again, the camera's not affected. You see a little bit of blue tinge in there, but it doesn't affect anything. I guess you can obviously see that the camera's off center of the tailgate latch, but that's why you see this one kind of more than that one, because the camera's not perfectly center from the factory. But yeah, I wouldn't say that anything's affected. I can back up here. It's not going to change anything. Doesn't matter what color it is outside, or nothing's affected in that manner. So, but as always guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, whether that's something that would bug you guys. I think it's literally nothing, but I just want to show you guys and give you guys a visual of how that looked, how that mod looked. And rest assured that it won't affect your camera or backup camera or your rear view, any of that stuff. So if you like this video, I know it's super short, but it's straight to the point. Give it a thumbs up for me. Lets me know you guys at least enjoy it somewhat, even though it's a super short video. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Tons of content on the way, guys. Every other day posting up. If you haven't checked out the Instagram channel, it's Boosted Motorsports, all one word, or no spaces and with an S on the end. So Boosted Motorsports, check that out. And we'll see you on Instagram, we'll see you on YouTube, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.